Have you ever wanted to create something beautiful with your own hands? Something that reflects your unique vision and talent? Maybe even start a business from home. Turn your passion into a source of income and fulfillment. It can feel overwhelming, with so many things to consider and learn. But you already have a special talent inside you. A gift waiting to be unwrapped and shared with the world. The biggest journeys start with the smallest steps, like turning your kitchen table into your headquarters, your creative hub where ideas come to life. All you need is your unique spirit and a bit of courage. The willingness to take that first leap of faith. Today, we'll explore how to turn your creative spark into a business that brings you joy and maybe a little extra income, a reward for your hard work and dedication. Think about what you love: soft fabrics, bright colors, or fixing things. What truly ignites your passion and makes you feel alive? That's your superpower, your unique ability to create, innovate, and inspire. Starting a business is about sharing a piece of your heart with the world, letting your creativity touch the lives of others. The world needs more of that joy, more beauty, more kindness, and more heartfelt creations. Let's unpack your dream and see it in the sunshine. Let's bring it out of the shadows and into the light. Your gift doesn't have to be grand. It just has to be yours. Authentic, genuine, and filled with your personal touch. We'll talk about starting a simple sewing or crafts business right from home. So, get comfortable and let's dream together. Let's explore the endless possibilities that await you. Your dream is worth it, and so are you. You deserve to pursue your passions and create a life you love. Every artist needs tools, but you don't need the fanciest gear to start. A mini sewing machine is perfect for beginners. Small, simple, and ready for your first creations. Or try a handy stitch machine for quick fixes and tiny projects. Portable and easy to use. These tools are your training wheels, helping you build skills and confidence. You don't need everything, just the right things for you. Start small, invest wisely, and let your creativity grow. Remember, magic begins with small steps. Now for the fun part, the exciting journey of discovery. What will you create? What unique items will you bring into the world? Let your imagination run wild and explore the endless possibilities that await you. Maybe it's unique clothes, something that reflects your personal style and flair, or simple repairs and alterations for your community, providing a valuable service while honing your skills. Accessories like tote bags, practical and stylish for everyday use. Scrunchies or scarves are quick to make and always in demand, offering warmth and a touch of elegance. The key is to find what excites you most, your special thing, what truly ignites your passion and makes you eager to create. Add your unique touch like a hand-embroidered detail, a delicate and personal embellishment, or eco-friendly fabric, making a conscious choice for a sustainable future. Stand out by being yourself. Let your business reflect your spirit. Infuse your creations with your personality and values. Don't be afraid to be different. Embrace your individuality and let it shine through your work. Take time to dream and listen to your heart. Allow yourself moments of quiet reflection to connect with your inner muse. Your creativity is your signature. Let it shine in everything you make. Let your unique talents illuminate the world, one creation at a time. Before you even think about selling your amazing creations, do a little homework. Take a look around at what other talented creators are already making and selling. See what's trending, what catches your eye, and what inspires you. Learn from their successes and even their missteps, but absolutely don't copy. Find your own unique style. Let your personality shine through in every piece you create. Picture your ideal customer. Who are they? What specific needs do they have that your crafts can fulfill? And what aesthetics do they love? What are their passions and interests? Use the best quality materials you can afford and always take immense pride in your work, because quality truly matters. Price your beautiful creations fairly and realistically. Remember, your valuable time and unique skill have real worth. Every single step you take, even the seemingly small ones, is an important part of your unique story. Believe wholeheartedly in your own incredible talent and always nurture it. Start simply with just one brilliant idea, one essential tool, and one truly big dream.